Have you lost your hunger?
Waste
Oh,
another
thanks for this
minute.
awesome idea.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. What I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
Have you lost your hunger, man? I'm not talking about your physical hunger, I'm talking about your emotional hunger. Hunger, the drive. Have you lost your drive? That's the question I want you to ask yourself today. You see, most people today, after they become a little successful or good successful, they lose that hunger. So many people that I coach and mentor many times, they are professionals, they are IT professionals, project managers, leaders. Some of the millionaires and billionaires come to me, not because of anything else, but because after they achieve certain amount of success, they lose that drive, that hunger. And when you lose that drive and hunger, you don't have that passion anymore. You don't have the hunger in your relationships. You don't have the hunger in your health. You don't have that hunger to grow. And if you're not growing, you're dying. So man, I want to tell you right now, no matter how successful you become, whether you're earning 10,000 rupees a month or 10 lakhs rupees or 10 crore rupees a day, doesn't matter. You need to be hungry to improve yourself. And here, I'm not talking about greed. I'm not talking about hunger to get. I'm talking about hunger to improve, to grow, to give. If somebody wants to help 5 people, that's fine, but they should also have the hunger to help 10 people and then 15 people and then 25 people. If you have that hunger, you can always improve because you are going to have the passion, the purpose, the power to take yourself to the next level. So always be hungry, have that hunger. All right, see you soon.
I'm a man on a mission.